What's going on today, everyone? Michael here. Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of getting my fan collection ready for fan season. And as you can see in front of you is my 2006, or I believe it's either 2006 or 2007, I'll look in a minute. But my Holmes Blizzard from the early 2000s is the easiest way to put it. If you guys are new to the channel and you don't know where I got this fan from, I got this fan from a garage sale that was happening literally right next door from me. I got it a few months ago. Well, more than a few months ago. I believe I got this in October. Somewhere around October, September, somewhere around there. Of last year. Yeah, of 2022. I still keep forgetting it's 2023 already. What is on my screen? Sorry, there was a diesel passing. Anyways, I got this somewhere around October, September, somewhere around there. From a garage sale, literally right next door from me. And I got it for $1. Yeah, originally the guy wanted to sell it to me for free, but I was like, these things go for 20 to 30 on Marketplace. And still are. Right now, you can find these on Marketplace for $20 to $30, probably even cheaper. And he was like, all right, just give me $1. And I was like, okay. So I gave him $1, brought it home, and it works great. I'm not gonna lie, this little thing works phenomenally. So let's do a walk around here. Take you off the tripod. The broken fucking Target tripod. Excuse me. So yeah, here it is. Got the Blizzard branding on the front of the guard. And then we have the Holmes branding on the base. And yeah, I filled the Holmes badge in with red Sharpie just because I thought it would look better, and it does, in my opinion. And no, that does not ruin the fan. That makes it pop. I wanted to do the blades too, but I did the switch cap because I think the switch cap actually looks good like that as well. And it was manufactured in September of 2006, so I was right. This is the Holmes Group Inc. Milford, made in China, Milford, Massachusetts, I believe. Model is HAOF90, electric fan, 120 volts, 60 hertz. Oh my god, I'm getting blown up by my friends. 7 amps AC only. I kind of have to do this video quick, but I still have to clean this thing up a little bit. As you can see, in the back, she's still a little bit dusty. You still have to clean it up a little bit, but that's not really a concern of mine, since what I wanted to do was get all the dust out of the front of it, and well, I've done that. So, I have you on an angle here because to get the phone out of the windstream. And this fan does not have its oscillation mechanism anymore because I took it off because it was giving me problems, and also it was kind of being annoying, so I just took it off. So let's go ahead and show you the plug for it. This is a 9-inch model, by the way, as you can see. This is a 9-inch model. I believe they make a bigger version of this fan. I think they make a pedestal version of this fan. I'm not entirely sure on that. But this is the smallest model you could possibly get for the Blizzard. It's a 9-inch. So here's the cord or the plug. This is original to the fan. Has not been replaced. This is original. So let's go ahead and plug her in. See what she does. And I hate how this fan and all my other fans start up from high to low. So we're going to start out from low to high. Because that's how it should be. It should be off, low, medium, high. There's low. And I have it on my bed so it doesn't vibrate anything. So it's the quietest. You could actually hear the fan making the noise itself. Like this won't vibrate the bed. Well, yeah, it does vibrate the bed, but it won't. What I mean is not vibrating plastic or vibrating the floor. I apologize if there's any wind noise in the camera. This is the quietest the fan is. And on low speed, it's actually, this fan, I'm not gonna lie, it's a very, very smooth running fan for what it is. I mean, Holmes Blizzards are good fans in my opinion. I definitely recommend. It's kind of why I got one, because they're actually kind of rare. Actually, I haven't. The only Blizzard, or the only Holmes Blizzard I've seen in person before this one was my buddy's Holmes Blizzard that he has up in his room. And then I got this one, I thought it was the exact same, but his is a different color. And I believe 1 year newer. His is a 2007, this is a 2006. But the fans are actually quite similar, and I think his is a little bigger. This actually might be a 10-inch. This one is a 9. Here's medium. And yeah, airflow is strong. I apologize for that. My tripod is broken, so I apologize if the phone falls. And airflow is very strong for the size of this fan. It's putting out a powerful breeze. Not gentle. It's putting out a strong, powerful breeze for the size of this fan. Like, I'm genuinely surprised every time I run this fan how powerful it is just for the size of it. It's small. I mean, my Alaska is more gentle than this thing, and it's a 12-inch. You'd think a bigger fan would be more powerful, but no. Apparently the smaller fans are more powerful than the bigger ones, but that's not really a concern of mine. Here's high speed, or full power. And there's not really much difference between the speeds, but there's a difference in airflow. If I could show you how powerful this fan is, here's a tissue. It's not really the best, but you could see that you could definitely tell that this fan is no slouch. And why? Apparently, this fell on me. Yeah, that's been broken for quite a while actually, but I don't know why it fell on me. Yeah, that's the only like indication where well, no, not the only indication. Um, yeah, it's quite powerful. And like I said before, it does not oscillate, but it does. I think the fan just blew my phone off the tripod. Yep, I have to hold my phone. That's never happened before. The fan is so powerful it blew my phone off the tripod. Oh, would you look at that? Alright, now let's shut her down. Then show you how smooth this runs. Well, I just showed you how smooth it runs, but look at the spin down on this. Yeah, I put the phone in 2 times for this. Look at that. That's how my Hunter should be and my Lascaux should be, but apparently not. I haven't ran this thing in actually quite a while, and I've only put a few drops of oil in this thing when I first got it, and now this thing runs exceptionally well. Alright, let's do a startup straight from 0 to high, and then we'll do a startup on all speed, startup sound on all 3 speeds. If I could, there we go. Alright, here's 0 to high. Yeah. I love this little thing. I really do. I do run this fan at night sometimes. I still have to clean the harbor breeze, but I might do that tomorrow. Since I'm filming this little guy today. It rattles here and there a little bit, but other than that, it runs very smooth. This is the smoothest, besides the Honeywell, this is the smoothest running fan in my collection. Actually, I think the bearings on this are better than the Honeywell, which is surprising to say. Alright, now let's do a startup noise on all 3 speeds. So we'll start from low, go to high. And I have it right up against the motor, so that's low. And here's it running from the back, or spinning down from the back. This fan doesn't really have much of a startup, but it's got a little bit, so. I have it right up against the motor of the phone. Here's medium. It's an interesting angle. What wouldn't you say? And by the way, the motor on this fan is as you can see, it's a C-frame shaded pole. A little tiny but powerful motor. And here's full power. That's how powerful it is. The fan is tilted this way, and it's blowing my '68 Camaro poster. And it's also moving my Jenna Ortega picture a little bit. And here's off. And it also tilts 90 degrees up to the ceiling. And I wonder if this little thing is powerful enough to actually spin the Harbor Breeze. I know my Honeywell is. I've tested it. I'm going to turn the light off just because that's low. Medium. High. Yeah, wow. This little thing is powerful. I mean, I have to hold it, but it'll do it. Yeah, it won't do it for my bed, but it won't do it for my bed, but it's definitely got strength to actually move that. Even though this fan is not heavy by any means, that fan is actually quite light. This little thing still has enough power to actually move it, surprisingly. That's all the tilt mechanisms that, that's all the tilt adjustments that it has. Alright, now, off again. Watch it slowly come to a stop. Alright, and that is an update on my Holmes Blizzard, a 9-inch desk fan that I usually keep on my computer desk. This fan doesn't really need much of a, well, actually, definitely needs to be cleaned up a little bit, so maybe I could do that when my buddy comes back, but maybe me and him could actually fully take this apart and do it. But I don't know, I have to ask him, so here it is for now, running as is. So yeah, thanks for watching. Smoothest running fan in my collection, and also the smallest, besides that broken thing, but that doesn't count since I bought it for shits and giggles. But there's this.